see myself with all these countries not going in the water. I have nothing to chat about right now.
Let's get it. I'm coming back for good, so let them niggas know it's mine. Already got someone, that's what you tell.
Hey babies, welcome to my channel. If you are new, I'm adrianna. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be doing a prepare with me for vlogmas. Yes, it's about that time. So right now we're at the beach, you know, just a relaxing day, calm down, because in a couple of days, couple of weeks, I'm starting vlogmas. And y'all know what that means? I'm posting every day for 25 days. I barely post once a week. How am I supposed to get that done? That's between me and God at the moment.
Just say you got a plan. I really was trying to listen. Just say you got no
Chat a little bit. And not too much on my straightening techniques. Yes, there's probably a better way to do it. I'm going to the beach. So should I really be straightening this right now? No. But it's been a little hot mess. And I'm going to tie it all back, and it's going to be a big waste of time. 3 videos, and there's 25 days of vlogmas. So I need to get on my grind because, yeah. And I already made my vlogmas intro. I really love it. So yeah, guys. I'm gonna do it. I have a lot of video ideas, but it's like I need to figure out how I'm gonna execute them. Heavy on the how I'm gonna execute them, because it's like saying you're gonna do it and actually doing it is 2 different things. Oh no. We should have a chat time, guys. We don't have to chat about. It's like such a peaceful thing. Like I see myself with all these countries not going in the water. I have nothing to chat about right now. But let's talk about vlogmas, guys. Like I'm literally planning. When I tell you planning, guys, let me show you. Because I refuse to not eat it. So let me show you guys. Yeah. Told you I'm ready. One of them is already recorded. Well, 3. One I'm recording right now. So there was this one boy that I finished all of that. Now I need to order a couple of things for the video. There's a lot going on. Literally, it's 4 a.m. right now. Listen, finish editing, record my room makeover video. So let me go ahead and order this stuff. I'm really in denial. I kind of don't want to order it. It just